everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today guys, we're going to do a little midweek upkeep, so let's get started. The first thing I do guys is I wash my face and I dry it with my face tissue. Very simple, just use a face cleanser and my cleansing brush, and I go ahead and do that, and I'm just going to make sure my face is completely dry and I have no more water on it. And then we're going to move on to toner. So I'm using my Bliss toner. I'm trying to finish this toner guys. It's almost done. We're gonna use a little cotton pad, pump out a little serum and just apply it on. And I love this. It's been doing a great job at helping to clarify my skin, help with my hyperpigmentation. So I'm loving the result of it. It's almost gone, so I can use another one. We're gonna toner our face and neck area. So after I'm done, I pat it in a little bit just to make sure everything is settled. The serum's on there, and we're gonna go ahead and put a serum. If you guys seen, I started using this new serum. I love how light it is and just how quick it soaks in. It's just gonna apply it all over, and of course I massage it all over my face, and I'm massaging it over my neck as well, and pat it in, make sure it's all settling. So after that, I'm gonna put that away and we're gonna move on to some lip oil. I'm using my new Neutrogena lip oil because the old one is pretty much done. So we're moving on to this new one. If you guys notice, I didn't realize that at first. It has like a slightish pink tint. So that is something interesting. After that, we're gonna move on to a sheet mask. But before I add on my sheet mask, I'm gonna put in a little oil. So guys, if you can see, I'm not using the Shea Moisture oil. I'm using this Bright Booster Elixir, and it's organic wear. So it's a very simple oil. I got this, I believe, at Marshall's or TJ Maxx. I'm not sure which one, but that's the oil I'm gonna use to just add a little bit more boost to my skin, help it a lot more. It's just a little bit extra. And we're gonna move on to the sheet mask, of course. I'm using this Remina Reborn Me Grape Soothing 02, and this is a soda mask. This mask, I just love how thin it is and just how nice it sits on my face, and it is very moisturizing. If you're looking for a mask that's gonna help add some moisture to your skin, I know I got this mask at TJ Maxx. It even says enjoy your me time on it. I love it, and it fits so well across my face because it's a much larger mask. I get to make sure that it's sitting all around my face, and I just take my time and apply this, make sure it's covering all the areas of my face until it's completely covered. This is not a perfect fit, of course guys. I don't think I have any mask that's a perfect fit, but if you get one of the larger masks, it's much easier to work it around your face, where it covers pretty much all of your face. And the cool thing about this mask, it even goes under my eyes pretty well, so it's giving me a good little eye mask as well. After I make sure that that whole mask is completely settled, I make sure I rub the excess on my neck, and then I rub my hand with the extra serum that's left, just a little extra boost to my hand while I'm adding a sheet mask on. And guys, I'm gonna actually wipe my palm because I'm gonna do my hair next. I wouldn't do this normally, but because I'm adding product to my hair, that's why you see me wiping it. Normally I would leave that serum in. Next, we're gonna move on to some hair care. So I'm using the Shea Moisture 100% virgin coconut oil leave-in. I'm also gonna use my mix for my oils that I made. I made this a few weeks ago using a bristle brush that's for my edges, not for my whole hair. So the first thing I'm gonna do is just section my hair off and spray my roots. I'm not spraying doing the braids, the twists, I'm actually just spraying my roots and my edges because I want to make sure they're moisturized. They have leave-in in them. That's what I'm looking to moisturize, not my entire hair. And I'm gonna do this section to section, starting from one area, moving all the way to the next until my entire hair has some good moisture leave-in in it. So after I spray the leave-in, I'm gonna go ahead and just massage it around my hair a little bit. I want to make sure the leave-in is all over my scalp because I'm gonna put the oil next. I want it to have a good moisture before I put on my oil. So next, I'm gonna go ahead and add my little oil, and I'm putting this in my hand so I can add it very little by little because I don't have a dropper. This is in a bottle, so I'm doing my edges first, and then I'm gonna go ahead and apply this all over my scalp. Again, the same way I did the leave-in until I have my entire scalp moisturized with the oil. So after I apply my oils, I'm gonna go ahead and give it just a light little massage, again, just to make sure my entire scalp does have oil in it and it's on it. And then I'm gonna move on to my little scalp massager. I love this little thing. It makes life so much easier, especially when I'm trying to get through braids or I just don't have enough strength to massage my hair. Plus, I feel like it works a lot better when I go ahead and use this massager. So I use this for about 15 minutes. I'll go ahead and massage my scalp with it, and I do this again same way I would apply products. I go from section to section and I go through my edges as well to make sure I have a good little massage to get some good blood flow going to help to improve growth. That I'm done with massaging my scalp, I do take my brush and I go ahead, I brush my edges. This is a great way to help all the products I just put on my edges to make sure they soaked in, they're not just sitting there, as well as brushing it again, give it another little extra boost to help improve growth. After that's done, guys, I am going to go ahead for the remainder of the time I have this mask on is to massage my face mask that I have on. Usually when I'm doing this, it takes me about 20 minutes to 30 minutes to do. It's not too long, but if I have a sheet mask on, depending what mask I have on, this mask I like to leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes. So by the time I put this mask on, I was massaging my scalp and adding products. It was about 15 to 20 minutes. So I go ahead for an extra 5 minutes, just massage it with this massager. And especially look to see if your mask is drying out. If it's drying out, definitely take it off. But this mask is super moisturizing. I was able to stay a little extra 5 minutes and just massage a little bit more of this product in. Just give me a little bit of extra boost. It helps the blood flow on my face, as well as it helps to soak in the moisture and the serum, everything that I just added on my skin before I applied the mask. So after I'm done with that, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and take the little sheet mask off, and I'm gonna do one more thing, and that's actually massaging the product. You see how much my skin is shining? I'm gonna massage that serum in, because if I leave it on my face to just sit there, it's just gonna sit and evaporate, and what a waste. So I want to make sure that it's soaking into my skin, so I massage it in there. I make sure that all the goodness, all the product is going back in my skin, that it's not being left on top. And I massage my neck upward, just make sure all that good product is soaking in there. So guys, this is my little 30-minute TLC at home midweek. Usually I'll do this about midweek. Sometimes I'll do this twice a week. I'll do it midweek, or I'll do it like on a Tuesday, or I'll go ahead and do it on a Thursday, or if it's midweek, just do it on a Wednesday. But that's it, guys. That's pretty much my little TLC care while I have these braids on, and a little something extra I'm doing for my skin and my scalp. So if you have any little thing you do, guys, definitely let us know. I do want to say thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, of course, subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you'll know when I have new videos that are coming out. Give this video a thumbs up. Of course, leave all of your comments down below, and go over and watch my last video.